In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best ITX cases in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which ITX cases is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Fractal Design ITX Cases. The elegant and sleek design is suitable for any space. Air filters are strategically placed to ensure a clean and tidy interior. Very small footprint, volume of just 10.2 liters. The case is extremely versatile and can be set up horizontally or vertically. Compatibility: Mini-ITX motherboards, SFX power supplies, and graphics cards that are up to 315 mm. Intelligent thermal interior design highlights separate motherboards and graphic card chambers. The Node 202 is the ultimate PC case for people looking for a beautiful slim chassis that can be able to house a gaming setup. The slim footprint of this case is a carefully constructed model where extreme attention to detail was incorporated in the design process to ensure each line and spec is in perfect harmony. With both vertical and horizontal orientation options, the Node 202 can be placed wherever you want it to be. The stylish style makes it look great close to your TV set in the living room or at your desk at work. Here is the item number 4, Cooler Master ITX Case. The front panel is meshed to increase the intake of cool ambient air. Mini-ITX motherboards support low-profile designs. The unique HDD and SSD mount bracket position gives more room inside. The bracket supports a 120 mm water cooling kit near the top of the box. The ATX PSU is designed to work with standard lengths. The front panel is meshed to increase the intake of cool air from the surrounding. Mini-ITX motherboards support small profiles. The unique HDD and SSD mount bracket position makes it possible to use more space within. Supports a 120 mm water cooling kit on top of a case due to the HDD and SSD mounting style. It supports regular ATX PS2 sized power supplies. It is compatible with graphics cards that are long up to 13.5 inches and 343 mm long. The maximum height for CPU coolers is 2.5 inches or 65 mm. This includes one 120 mm fan in the front and one fan of 80 mm on the side. Even if you don't have space, it doesn't mean you shouldn't be able to build a huge system. The Elite 130 is a small Mini-ITX enclosure designed to accommodate some of the biggest time hardware. The ability to accommodate modern high-quality graphics cards that are full-length means that you have a system that can handle whatever you throw at it, without being a burden on the space you'd think it would. A system like this Elite 130 would feel just like the desk as it does in the home theater. The item number 3, NZXT Mini-ITX Case. New features include front I/O USB Type-C port as well as a side panel made of tempered glass that has one screw for installation. Restored design: the crisp modern, contemporary design, legendary cable control bar, and the unbroken tempered glass side panel show off your amazing design. Simple cable management: exclusive cable routing kit, which comes with channels pre-installed and straps, allows wiring to be simple and intuitive. Streamlined cooling: 2 Air F120mm air conditioners are designed to maximize internal airflow. The front panel as well as PSU intakes come with filters that can be removed with a removable bracket to accommodate radiators of up to 240 mm. Specs: max GPU clearance, 265 to 325 mm, radiator support, front, 280 mm or rear, 120 mm. Compatibility and clearance: max CPU cooler clearance, 165 mm, max GPU clearance, 265, 325 mm, max GPU thickness, 44 mm, front fan and radiator clearance, 85 mm, cable management, 16.3 mm. In the tiniest H-series case, the H210 and H210i measure just 27 liters, but don't sacrifice any features. The full tempered glass showcases your Mini-ITX design with stunning clarity. The front mounting bracket permits the installation of radiators that are up to 240 mm. It supports each of SFX or ATX power supplies as well as a front port for USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C connectivity. You don't have to sacrifice anything in this build. Number 2 in our list, Cooler Master ITX Case. Vented panels. The NR200 comes flanked by 5 ventilated steel panels that allow for unlimited airflow. Unrestricted cooling possibility. It can hold up to 7 fans. 5 sides of open-air ventilation. This cooler is suitable for CPUs up to 155 mm in height as well as up to 280 mm in length radiators. Full-size GPU-compatible triple-slot GPUs can be supported with a maximum length of 330 mm and a maximal width of up to 156 mm. Vertical mounting is available. 360-degree accessibility. Each frame and panel component can be removed to allow advanced disassembly as well as 360 degrees of accessibility to work on parts. High-end materials. Thick and powder-coated SGCC steel is durable for the entire chassis and is resistant to rust from transportation or handling. Custom cooling support. 2 cooling pumps for liquids locations along with side and bottom radiator mounting spots enable powerful custom water-cooled designs within a small enclosure. The top one in our list, Thermaltake ITX Case. 2x USB 3.0, 1x headphone, 1x mic front ports, internal bay, 2x 3.5 inches, 2x 2.5 inches 1x200mm fan, 2x80mm turbofans. Side panels that can be interchanged. The panels are symmetrical to provide the system that is a personality. Adjustable I&O panel location. Extreme air and liquid cooling configurations options and dual modular drive rack design. Chambers concept. Advanced ventilation. Fantastic expansion in small size, designed with premium technology. Customers can quickly install up to 4 data storage devices that are modular racks for drives and a dual expansion slot VGA with a length of up to 260 mm and a width up to 40.5 mm, and the tower-sized CPU cooler, with the height of 140 mm and a high wattage PSU that can be extended up to 180 mm. Enjoy the ease of installation and the best cooling Thermaltake can provide using its Core V1 Extreme Mini-ITX Cube chassis. With numerous configurations that can be used for each air as well as a liquid cooling system, the Core V1 offers multiple options to meet the demands of modern-day cooling. Reduce time by using the drive base design that is tool-free that optimizes airflow as well as modular chassis options to build your build and then get back to playing. Overall, Think Computers gives the Thermaltake Core V1 Mini-ITX Case 10 out of 10 scores and our Editor's Choice Award. Think Computers. If you are looking for a Mini-ITX case, this should be your first choice. Think Computers. The Thermaltake Core V1 is among the most impressive Mini-ITX cases we've ever come across. HardOCP earned HardOCP's Gold Award. Earned Legit Reviews Editor's Choice Award. Extreme air and liquid cooling configurations options and dual modular drive rack design. 2x USB 3.0, 1x headphone, 1x mic front ports. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best ITX cases amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.